وسخرنا مع داود الجبال يسبحن والطير وكنا
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. My name is Qari Zafar Usmani. Today I'm here. Welcome back with the next video in English. And today I will tell you about maqamat and strength of maqamat. How many maqamat are there? So if you want to recite Holy Quran with a beautiful sound, you watch this video full. If you new on my YouTube channel, subscribe my YouTube channel and share this video with your friend and like this video and do comment in comment section. So inshallah I will tell you. Let's go to whiteboard. So two Arabic words right here. So I give a number to these eight letters. What is the meaning of these eight letters? Are two words. So the letter means every letter include to complete maqam. This is the name of complete maqam. This is as well the name of complete maqam. Eight maqamat are there, famous in all over the world, in Arabic and Misr as well. So now I will tell you by number. Inshallah I will write as well here. So the first letter is here swad, maqame sabah, maqame sabah, maqame sabah. Second letter is here noon, nahawand. Nahawand. And third letter is here Ain, Ajam. The fourth letter is here Ba, Makame Bayat, Makame Bayat. The fifth letter is here Sin, Makame Sika. Sixth letter is here Hijaz, Hijaz. Seventh letter is here Ra, Makame Rast, Makame Rast. Last letter is here Kaf, Kaf Makame Khud, Makame Khud, Makame Khud. These are eight maqamat and their name in English as well. I hope inshallah you will understand. So inshallah I will make a next inshallah I will see you in next video. Allow me. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.